Hello everyone! Welcome to other class with us. Do you know what's the term complex, compound, endocentric, exocentric, Dvandva, Dva, oppositional? But don't worry. We know that it's difficult to have an exact definition, but we will explain each one in summarized and easy to understand way. So, stay with us!
Hi guys, I am Mariana and today I am going to talk about what complex means. Word formation is called complex. This term complex is used by other authors as Peter Matthews in his book Morphology. He defined it as word produced by derivation. For example, the word photo, this word is a root. With this word we can form another word like photograph, photographic, and photographer. The formation of word is divided in two elements. These are derivation and composition. An example for composition is housewife. This word have two words, house and wife. But when you join these words, you form words with another meaning. So we can say that the formation of word produce complex form, and the derivation produce derivatives, and the composition produce complex. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vilma. I'm going to talk about compound. I will start now. Select scene. Let's specify a word or thing that consists of more than one stem. The process of word formation that creates compound lexemes. When two or more words join together to form a new word. Example: home plus work, homework. Pick plus pocket, pickpocket. The process of combining two or more words, free morphemes, to create a new word, commonly noun, verb, or adjective. Example: black plus board, blackboard. Compound are writing as one word, sunglasses; two hyphenate, life creating; two separate words, football stadium. Some languages is easily from compounds, from what in other languages will be a multi-word expression.
Exocentric compound. Exocentric compound is a compound whose head is outside the compound. And what is the head of compound? Okay, the head of compound is Jewish word who has the whole meaning. For example, the word paperclip. Paperclip is a clip, it's not a type of paper, so clip is the head of compound. Knowing that, we can say that exocentric compound is a compound whose head is outside the compound. For example, the word scarecrow. Scarecrow is not a type of scaring, and it's not a type of crow. It refers to an object that is used for scare away crows. Or for example, the word redskin. Redskin is not a type of skin. It refers to a football team called Redskin. Or for example, the word in Spanish, rascacielos. Rascacielos is not a verb plus noun. It refers to a very tall.
Hi! I will talk about the endocentric. Let's start with an example about endocentric. For example, tantrac. This is a word but have two rods bipolars. Each one has its semantic and morphological pole. Tantrac together form a structured compound. When we separate this first track, a tone track is a kind of track, and a track or car is a kind of the tone track. Second, tone. This pull or pull something that is what a tone track does. Waiting the endocentric, the semantics must be present. We see that waiting, the meaning of the tone track, refers to the same thing when we separate it. Many endocentric can to come of the result known plus noun. Some endocentrics compound the result from the combination of verb and noun. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Lisette and I will explain the appositional compound. So let's start now. In this kind of compound, the semantic meaning is not expressed. This compound usually appears as metaphorical or synecdochic. Can be divided into two elements. For example, the word maidservant. Maidservant can be divided into two words. That would be maid and servant. Their meanings are relatively the same. Maid in Spanish means criada and servant in Spanish means sirvienta. So maidservant is a type of servant and maid. Maid in Spanish means criada and servant in Spanish means sirvienta. So maidservant is a type of servant and maid. This type of compounds are called appositional compounds. Well, that's all about the appositional compounds. Now my partner will continue with the next concept.
Hello, my name is Cynthia and I will explain what is DVA and DVA. It's a type of compound word common in other languages, in which two nouns could be connected by and are joined together. We can mention some examples: player-manager, secretary-treasurer, father-daughter, mother-son. We just don't seem to have that many in English. I like the word, however, because it's pretty much an adulterated Sanskrit. Dvandvas are common in other languages, such as Sanskrit, where the term originates, as well as Chinese, Japanese, and in some modern Indian languages, such as Hindi and Urdu, but less common in English. Copulative compound is also used to describe them. In Spanish, we have some words that can clarify this concept. Verde y negro, agridulce, sub y baja.
Well, as you saw, it's not so difficult to understand terms, like the ones we have just explained. We hope that we have helped you and a lot. Can you ask questions if something is not very clear to you? If you have any question or you want to ask to address a topic of your interest, leave in the comments. And if you like the video, do not forget to leave your like and subscribe. Remember to activate the bell so that YouTube notifies you when we upload another video. See you another time with new topics of your interest. Goodbye.